This 2022 K-Z Sportsmen 181BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 20 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, LP detector, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, skylight, water heater, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, refrigerator, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 K-Z Sportsman 181BH is 2,980 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.